Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, September 24th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the monthly time frame, I still think this 5 waves up is a wave A. I think we are currently in an A, B, C of wave B, which I think will take out both of these lows before it actually makes another attempt on the uptrend. So taking it down to the weekly time frame, I still think that this is extremely clearly 5 waves of A. This is 1, 2, 3 waves of B. I personally think that this is very likely to continue down for 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 of wave C to form that pattern I was showing on the monthly time frame. Taking it down to the daily time frame, the question is whether the wave 2 is really over or not. I mean, I definitely would be looking for shorts right now, especially because it did break structure to the downside several days ago. And while we're looking for shorts, if it just keeps on going down, proving that it really is a wave 3, that's great news for us. But to me, it does kind of resemble a trend. I do kind of wonder if this is an A, this is a B, and it potentially is going to go up for a C before it goes down for the wave 3. But like I said, I would be looking for shorts on shorter time frames for now. Going down to the 4 hour time frame. Now on the 4 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement on this move up right here. If we get a Fibonacci bounce and a break of structure, something like this would be preferably, or we get like a very significant higher low, like something like this, then you definitely could try to go long. And while you go long, if it just keeps on going up and makes a wave C, like I was showing on the daily time frame, then that's great news for us. But for me, I'm definitely looking for shorts right now because the trend is technically down, and I honestly wouldn't be surprised if it just kept on making lower lows and lower highs. So taking it down to that 1 hour time frame, like I was just saying, I am definitely looking for shorts. This move up is very impulsive, so I got my Fibonacci retracement on here. If we get a Fibonacci bounce and a nice engulfing move up, it probably would be worth going long. And then once you go long, I would put my Fibonacci retracement from here to here, and I would observe it while you are long and hopefully while you are learning and earning. If it makes an ABC, bounces off a Fibonacci retracement of this move down, breaks structure to the downside, I would exit my long in profit and definitely go short again. While you're long, if it doesn't do that, but instead it just keeps on making higher highs, higher lows, goes up and breaks this structure, that would confirm that we're going up for the wave C of wave 2 like I was showing on the daily time frame. So the best strategy I think would be watching these Fibonacci retracement levels and watching for a big impulsive move up. If it doesn't happen and it just keeps on drifting down, then hopefully you're short from back here someplace, because we definitely should be looking for shorts right now, primarily based on the higher time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. It's a link down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.